Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to write Google Ads for affiliate marketing. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. To start creating ads for affiliate marketing, let's go to clickbank.com. Growing your business online doesn't have to be complicated. At ClickBank, we offer trusted e-commerce tools, a global affiliate marketplace, and industry-leading support and education. Everything you need to build with confidence. One platform, limitless potential. Hosted order form, integrated payments, attract, manage, and pay affiliates. Your path to success online starts here. You can sell your product, worldwide leader in affiliate marketing and e-commerce growth. Now, let's start signing up with ClickBank. Let's customize your ClickBank experience. Let's click on I want to promote ClickBank products as an affiliate. Awesome! Click on Sounds Good. Do you have experience promoting offers as an affiliate? Let's click on letter C. Which best describes you? Making less than $50,000, more than $50, or over $150,000. Click on letter A. What type of products do you want to promote? Health, politics, spirituality, diet, e-business, personal development, CBD, pet products, crypto, women's health, or beauty? Let's click on Women's Health Beauty. Please select all that apply. Larger than 10K subscriber, $2 a day, 5K visits a day, 25K followers, or none of these apply to me. For now, let's click on letter E, none of these apply to me. What is the biggest factor motivating you to explore affiliate marketing? We can click on Earn Extra Income. Do you currently have traffic or an audience to promote to? Yes, I have YouTube channel. How do you plan on generating traffic? Let's try on our TikTok. Select all of the ClickBank tools you would be interested in using. Let's try email marketing tool. How did you hear about ClickBank? We can say YouTube tutorials. And for the last one, you have to put your email address. Then, we can now get our affiliate link. We need to create a traffic, so let's try to make a website. Create a website without limits, build and scale with confidence. From a powerful website builder to advanced business solutions. One platform, infinite possibilities. Unlimited creation, powerful infrastructure, and the place for growth. Convert and scale seamlessly with built-in marketing and business solutions. Website templates that set you up for success. So let's now click on Get Started. What is the name of your business or website? Let's try to name our website into Membership. Now we have our name, email address, and you can also add your profile picture. Or we can simply skip on that. Now we have our website Welcome to membership. We can also post a product here together with the price. But let's try to edit our homepage. We have the image here, and you can replace that. Let's try to search for a certain picture. Or we can select the picture of our affiliate product. We can add a tagline, a phone number, and social media accounts. And here, we can add the link of our affiliate marketing, so that if they click on that, they will be directed on that page. And now, let's try to publish our website. Publishing your site. And there you have your website. You can now go to googleads.com. Let's get started. Put your business name here. Where should people go after clicking your ad? Here, you can put your website that we have created. Scanning your website, learning about your site, and here you can see where people come after they click your ad. What is your main advertising goal? Get more website sales or leads. Now it's time to write your ad. You have to put your headlines, and adding 3 headlines or more will help your ad performance. Then add a descriptions. Adding 2 descriptions or more will help your ad performance. After that, you can now see your ad like this. Assets can be shown in any order. So to make sure that they make sense individually or in combination and do not violate our policies or local law, you can make sure certain text appears in your ad. You can add keyword themes to match your ad to searches. There are some selected keyword themes here, but you can also add new keywords. After that, you can now set a budget to get the results you want. And there you have successfully write Google Ads for affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.